Question 4, if g squared h equals b to the negative 1k cubed, what is b? So I'm solving for b. That means I want to get b by itself on one side and everything else on the other side. The first thing to keep in mind is that a negative exponent, I always start by getting rid of my negative exponents and switching them into positives. And the way you do that is by bumping them down into the denominator. So we have g squared h equals k to the third over b. And now that I want to solve this for b, I don't want to leave it in a denominator. So I'm going to multiply it by the other side and I'll end up in the numerator. It makes it much easier to solve for things when they're in the numerator. And finally, I want, now that b is in the numerator and does not have a negative exponent, I want it to be by itself. So let's get that g squared h on the other side. We're going to do that by dividing them out. And b is the correct answer. If you had wanted to, you could have certainly have done this by number picking. You could have picked values for, let's say you have to pick values for 3 of the numbers and then calculate the last one, then plug in the numbers you know to test everything. But I think that would have taken a lot longer than the straightforward method. So as long as you're comfortable with those negative exponents, the way I just did it is going to be fastest and easiest.